Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone screen is zoomed in on the lock screen or the regular screen and it is zoomed in. You can follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. Now, very first thing is in order to exit out of this, you're going to try to use your 3 fingers and tap on the screen. And when you do that with the 3 fingers, like I did again here, I'll show you again, 3 fingers, you just have to tap on it until you get this menu out. And then when you do that, you can actually go ahead and zoom out just like that. So as you can see, it's zoomed in, it's zoomed out now, and then you can enter basically your passcode or your Face ID to get in. So again, if you see here, if it's locked, just use 3 fingers to kind of go ahead and do that. Now, if it doesn't work for you that way, another method to get out of this is quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down this side button. So I'm going to do it again, volume up, volume down, and then you hold down this side button, and you're going to do this process where you're holding down the side button and we're going to wait for the screen to go completely black before we let go of that side button. So as you can see, I'm holding it down and I'm going to let go once I see the Apple logo, and that's going to be forcing the phone to shut down and reload the code. So if it's stuck for some reason, zoomed in, and you can't enter your code or you can't navigate, it's going to go ahead and fix this. Method is safe. This will not delete any of your data, so all of your basically data will still be on here. It's just a quick way to exit out of that. And once you're back on, you can go ahead and get into your phone. So again, try the 3 finger, just keep on tapping until you get that menu. Now, once you get back into this normal screen or somewhat normal screen, or if you are still stuck, you can turn the setting off so it doesn't happen to you again, which, by the way, you can do this by going to your setting and then going to accessibility. And then you're going to look for where it says zoomed. And in the zoom section here, you're going to turn off the zoom setting. This way, this will not happen to you. Or if it happened to you, you can just see if you can navigate with your fingers, like moving it around till you get to this setting and turning it off. And once you do that, you should exit out and fix your phone from that stuck zoomed in mode. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.